Emang tau tino hole.
Ini to Holin din bosor wa sha phayo holi joton enjoy khane nango nok nok thangai colorful layo bosor wa sha phai ke sun joton enjoy khane nango ta gaham kurungai thanglai kuno wala suglai kuri ke thanglai nango bosor wa sha phai ba enjoy khale ta joton mo
Heman bai taklai thel muta motong.
sheman no borok bang kha taklai te bo bang kha ta ninge ketal borok YouTube ro upload khajak no ke video oro holi thumoni sheman no ke joton phai bai borok bang o
Bahai ma tong nukine hai dino
ini hai dino thuni to onek bukha aram nang kha tam ninge nogo tong khe to ke shuna bo kore yak bo kore oro phai jo to banyo ketal dol bai snam ja go shinia borno bo shini thango holinte rong phulai thamti thambai Holi to bosoro wa sha phayo so joton enjoy khane nango Holi comes only once in a year so everyone should enjoy because it doesn't come twice a year so it's known as the color of festival people enjoy people roam here and there apply Holi in everyone faces so this is the festival that people enjoy very much and so happy Holi thank you
Enjoying the Holi festival here in Agartala, Tripura. I'm so happy. It's my first time in a Holi festival, so I'm enjoying so much.
Where you come from?
I'm from Spain, but I came yesterday from Bangladesh. I traveled by bicycle.
Nice to meet you.
To meet you.
Emang tau tino hole.